Today I'll unbox the one of my product what I just purchased from Amazon. This is my UPS what I recently purchased during the Prime deal. So most of the time the product cost is vary around 3200 to 3300 rupees. This is not my first product. So the similar model, the model I will show you, this is APC UPS. The model number is BX600CIN. IN for India. I have two more same model what I purchased. I am too much impressed with this product, its quality and its battery backup, its performance. Everything is too much awesome. This is the model APC from Scandier Electric, and this having some feature what I would like to show you. What kind of the feature this UPS is providing to us is having an inverter capability and electronic overload protection, battery saver feature, and surge protections. It's automatically voltage regulation. So automatically voltage regulation is just providing the instantly correction in the incoming utility power without utilizing the battery and saving the battery life. And I would like to just mention one thing, like this UPS providing a very good battery backup. As I have connected and I'm using this with my one Sony LCD what is 55 inches, so it's giving the backup most of the time 15 to 20 minutes without any electricity. So let's get it open. So it's heavy weight is. It's provided around the 1 meter long cable. Let me show you. So this one approximate is 1 meter, and the back side is providing us a 3 output, so we can easily add the 3 equipment behind this. And here we are having our power on off switch, and this is the battery saver switch. So it's really nice feature. It will extend our battery life. So shall we start? Yeah, here we go. And when we will on this, it will glow up with green light. That's it. There is not a much more to, like there is not much more to in order to configuration. So okay, I'm going to connect my gaming machine with this UPS. I'll show you how we can connect it. Okay guys, so here I'm having some space on my computer table, and so at this time I have given the direct power supply to my PC monitor and to my gaming machine. So let me disconnect them from there. So this is the power socket for my gaming machine. Let me put in there. Okay. Now I will connect my monitor. So it's basically not, it's a monitor, it's a 43-inch LG TV what I am using as a monitor with my gaming machine. Here we go. I have connected it. Oh, it's a different kind of the socket. Let me connect it. Now cross pins. Okay, it's perfectly connected, and now I will connect the power cable in a direct power supply. So this is the setup. Now everything looks good. Here my gaming machine cable. This is my monitor or LG TV socket, and directly this is connected there. Now I will power on this one, and so once the power is on, the green light is the status like your battery is charging right now. Okay, now power on the switch is on. And switch on my gaming power machine. Yeah, here we go. It's my beautiful machine. It having a WLED, so what I designed for it in order to glow the RGB lights. So that's all. Is now booting right now. So I can show you that my machine is on. I will power up the main line what is providing the power supply to my UPS. So I will drop down my MCB. So the all power is down for my UPS, but still my machine is up. And this machine having a 750 watt SMPS supply, and my UPS is only 600 VA. It's approximately provide the, because never be confused. So battery is down, so let me give the power to it. Yeah, so I was telling, so 600 V is not equal to the 600 watt is having a difference. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish my video here. So everything is working fine, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.